Matball, also known as big base kickball, is an indoor team game where players try to score runs by going around the bases after kicking a ball. Unlike kickball, the bases are large floor mats, and any number of players can stay on them at the same time before running to the next one. To set up Matball, lay out 4 floor mats, 45 feet, 14 meters apart in a diamond shape. You'll want to choose floor mats that are at least 2 feet, 0.61 meters, by 4 feet, 1.22 meters, so that multiple people can stand on them. Then, mark the pitcher's mound halfway between home and second base with a piece of tape. Create 2 teams of at least 8 players. There is no maximum number of players in a game of Matball. Determine who will be the umpire. This person will decide who is out and clarify rules during your game. Then, flip a coin to determine what team plays offense first. Players on the defensive team must stand behind the pitcher's mound until a player on the offensive team kicks the ball. The offensive team starts by kicking the ball forward when it is pitched to them. You are allowed 1 strike if you don't kick the ball on the first pitch. If you miss the kick on the second pitch, you are out. If you make contact with the ball, run toward the first mat and step on it with at least 1 foot to be safe. If someone catches the ball or touches you with the ball before you touch the base, you're out and must go to the back of your team's line. Advance to the next base if the ball isn't near it. Unlike kickball, you don't have to advance to the next base when the next player kicks the ball. You cannot move bases once the pitcher on the defensive team has the ball. If you're still on a base when you're next in your team's lineup, you are automatically out. You forfeit your turn to kick and must return to your team. The offensive team can score a point by getting back to home base. Continue to play until the offensive team gets 3 outs. Play continues for 7 innings or 40 minutes, whichever comes first. The team with the higher score at the end of the game wins.